Hey everybody, Photoman here. Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning into the channel. There are 2 grain elevators remaining in Three Hills, Alberta, as well as a fertilizer elevator. One is a large Alberta wheat pool elevator, and the other is an ex-Parrish and Heimbecker elevator and feed mill. These elevators in Three Hills are unusual in that they are on opposite sides of the rail line, which is the CN Three Hills subdivision. Most towns have all the elevators on the same side of the track, which makes these quite a rare layout. The large faded green composite grain elevator was built in 1967. It features a central elevator with integrated annexes on either side. It was purchased by a private owner in 2002 and still features the pool logo. There is an ex-Parrish and Heimbecker grain elevator in Three Hills, part of a complex labeled County Grain and Feed Mill. The elevator itself is a small wooden elevator with a large wooden annex. Several aluminium-clad buildings are attached to the elevator as part of the feed mill.